The most exciting part is swing. So after the tea and coffee, we get high and then we're gonna swing.
Yes.
We get high, right?
Where do you come from, sir?
Russia, originally.
Nice. Russian. Спасибо.
На здоровье. Ну все, сейчас набухаемся кофе, чаю, поплывем и полетаем, а потом вернемся спать. Come out, Lua. Can I open the door?
No bite. This friendly.
So you're using the poo for coffee?
Yes, sir.
What the heck? What the fuck?
Good from
Don't do that to me.
organic ginger, lemongrass, and turmeric. This is all we make for the tea. For tea.
For tea, yeah?
Yeah. We're making coffee from the cuckoo until the powder.
How long you need to cook this corn?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. This is the cuckoo like this.
And there inside the water is for what?
Before we roast, we clean first with hot water.
Ah, okay, got it.
This one the cuckoo like this. This the cuckoo not smiling.
Not what?
Not smile.
Smelling.
Yeah. And then after we roast,
Then it's smelling.
and like this, you can smile like this.
Nice poo poo.
Thank you.
Smells good. Where does the best coffee come from?
That's the best. Luwak.
What?
Luwak Coffee. It's the best from Arabica.
How much I pay here for 1 kilogram of nuts here?
1 kilogram, 1,808,000.
Okay. Thank you. Let's try coffee here. Looks very nice. And there we go, there's the swing. Wow, looks cool here. I like it. There are lots of swings. У них здесь получается целых 14 разных видов кофе. И вот он все принес.
Give me number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Coconut.
New product. And for the Luwak Coffee is coming soon.
This is that is not like a coffee.
Mocha coffee.
The taste is not like a coffee.
Yeah.
It's like sweet corn. Yeah, sweet corn.
Okay. Tea.
I'd like to know the sweetness in the tea. Is it originally or they put some sugar inside?
They put some honey also, sugar and honey.
Got it.
Honey bee.
It looks very healthy and taste as well.
And also if you don't like the sweet, they have also the tea folder with the sugar free also. You can put some sugar as much you want. Or without sugar. Swing, yeah.
Tastes very good. Here we go, champions. My third day in Bali. Let's try the swinging here. Let's go, champions! This is exciting. You're a good machine. Love it. So champions, there are Indonesian rules here, but look like you don't.
With the flag,
you can't make any
you
jokes.
cannot make any
The
jokes.
flag actually looks almost the same like Polish one. Like it's the same, but the colors are different. The Poland one have the red color at the bottom,
Yeah.
and you can make it. So explain. You can make it as not make it like underwear.
Yeah, you cannot make a like make the cloth or something with the color of the flag of
So the police
Indonesia.
come and gonna take you to the jail.
If you publication that one in media social, the police will be come to you. They
And
will
they-
be checking where are you when you make the video to do something joke with the flag. That's the police will be fine you.
Champions, we got an entrance ticket for the waterfall. They're looking like this here. How much you pay for the entrance for waterfall here? 20,000. It's
Like
yeah, it's €1.5.
almost 1.2.
1.2. Yeah. No, 20,000. Yeah, exactly. 1.2. 1 to 5 to be exactly. So here we go. We're right now on the way to waterfall, and this is a small one. It's close to city. Let's get a stamp. Thank you. Nice green stamp. There we go, champs. Really nice, fantastic view. Next time I'm gonna take my drone with me to fly around here and to make some pictures from the top. Look at this beautiful power of the nature. There we go, champions. Just hit the third destination where I'm gonna stay for 1 or 2 nights. This should be a hotel. I'm gonna check it right now. Let's go. The stairs up here, it's a hotel, right, sir?
Yeah.
Let's gonna check out here what's on in the front. There is a Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. Christmas is over. The Christian Christmas is over. Hello, next destination. Here we are. There's the bedroom. Cool. And what's on here? A king size bed. Okay. Awesome. I have some balcony here. Ta-da-ram, ta-ram. And a pool over there. Nice. Cool.